drivers ready. Marshals ready. Aiming one for your four-wheel drive short course. Good luck, drivers. Keep it clean on the start. Don't make me bring them back. Yeah, tuck down, guys, so they can see it for the start. All right, drivers, you are racing at the sound of the tone. Keep it clean on the start, guys. Nice. I knew you could do it. Oh. A little rubbing racing.
Oh, you lost the lead, you dumbass.
So we get Tom getting the jump on Justin in the start, taking the lead. And Larry right behind in that third spot. Paul dropping back a little bit, working his way back up to that fourth spot. Oh, him and John side by side coming through Daytona. John taking his spot back. Top three coming through the S's. Followed by fourth and fifth. Justin going over Tom, taking back that lead on the big jump on the front straight.
9 minutes left.
1 down, 9 to go. It's Justin, Tom, Larry now moving up to that third spot. Followed by John and Paul. Then Kenny, Jules, Bob, and Ed having some problems here. Down, 135 down, 825 left to go. Justin now coming around Bob to put the 8th place truck 1 lap down. It's like Larry getting around Tom, taking over that second spot. So now it's Justin, Larry, Tom, John, Paul, Kenny, Jules, Bob. Coming up on 3 minutes down, 7 minutes left to go.
Seven minutes left.
Justin, Tom, Larry, John, Paul, Kenny, Jules, Bob, and Ed coming back out.
Left.
4 minutes down, 6 minutes left to go. Justin, Larry, John, Tom, Paul, top 5 on the lead lap, followed by Kenny, Jules, Bob, and Ed.
Oh no!
minutes left.
Halfway drivers, 5 minutes down, 5 minutes left to go. Justin, Larry, John, Tom, Paul, Kenny, Jules, Bob, and Ed. .545 down, 4:15 left to go.
Four minutes left.
6 minutes down, 4 minutes left to go. .630 down, 3:30 left to go. Justin now coming around Paul, but the 5th place truck 1 lap down. Got 4 on the lead lap. Justin, Larry, John, Paul, Tom, Paul, Kenny, Jules, and Bob. Closing in on 7 minutes down, 3 minutes left to go.
3 minutes left.
That ain't gonna work. .740 down, 2:20 left to go. Justin, Larry, John, Tom, Paul, Kenny, Jules, Bob.
Two minutes left.
Eight down, 2 to go. 8 minutes down, 2 minutes left to go. E-Buggy A-Main number 1, you guys will be rolling up next. E-Buggy A-Main number 1, drivers will be rolling up next. 8:30 down, 1:30 left to go. Left. Wow. .45 seconds left to go. .35 seconds. .25 seconds. 15 seconds. 5 seconds, drivers. 5 seconds. Bring him around, finish your lap. Justin is done. Kenny is done. John is done. Tom is done. Bob is done.